So my name is Greg. I'm from Apache Junction, Arizona. I chose to come to NRVTA because I was doing some research on schools. I was looking to make a change in life because the field that I was working in prior to this was just not suitable. They were making cuts in the industry. I was able to find the NRVTA because of the research that I did online. There were a lot of other schools and training programs out there, but none of them compared to what this school had to offer. The first week was fundamentals training. It's very informational and it was actually a lot of fun. So fundamentals was so important and it prepared me to go into my next program the next week, which was solar. We're actually installing a live system in a unit that belongs to a customer. And so that gives you hands-on experience with all the different components and being able to see how everything is put together and how it works. Really, you have three components that go into a system. The solar panels, then you have the equipment that operates those, and then the batteries. Based off of what I've learned, I plan to install a solar system in my own rig once I get back home, to take this training and be an installer in the Phoenix, Arizona area, along with tank cleaning. If you love what you do, the skills and the training here are definitely something that is available to you. So I would recommend that if you're looking for a career change and if you've considered working with the RV industry, that you take a look at NRVTA. It's definitely a school that I would recommend highly for anyone that's looking to work in the industry.